At Albany Pumps, we manufacture twin-screw, external gear, lobe and centrifugal pumps. All our machining is carried out in-house, and we have a state-of-the-art machine shop at our factory in Lydney, Gloucestershire. You can see a large screw pump being machined in our largest machining centre, starting with a bare casting. Here we can see double helical gears being machined on a gear cutting machine. This is one of our largest gear pumps also being machined. Having our own extensive machine shop gives us control over the process. We have software to determine the clearances required in the pump to give the performance our customers require. The largest machining centre in the Albany factory had to be lowered in through the roof. And here it is being lifted by the crane carefully over to a prepared temporary hold in the factory roof. This was a delicate operation carried out by a team from the crane hire company, and being lowered very carefully into position to the area prepared for it in the factory. When you buy an Albany pump, you know that we have controlled the manufacturing process, and that's why we really understand our products. Albany Pumps, the right gear in liquid handling.